Hey there, old building lovers. This is Randy Wild Horse. Recently I went to Ulm, Minnesota and went outside George's bar to show you what the building looks like. Unfortunately, it doesn't look very good anymore. Here it is. This is George's bar and ballroom in Ulm, Minnesota. They're going to demolish it, but I'm not sure what day. So I talked to some gentleman that was inside it, looking around. He says there is no chance that they can save the building because it costs too much to repair, which is a shame, but you know, that's the way it goes. Yeah, the windows were open, but that gentleman must have went to the second floor and shut them. Yeah, a lot of varmints got in there, I suppose. Probably too many. As you see down here, they've boarded the windows. This is the area across the street from George's. I'll show you what it looks like. It's too bad this building's going to be demolished pretty soon. 36,000 square feet. Imagine how big that is. As soon as they tear it down, I'm going to be here when I film this. I hope I am, unless they tear it down in record time. You never know these days. This is the entrance to the bar and ballroom. Looks very classic, but as time went by, you know, things deteriorated. Up on the ceiling, as you see, it's very deteriorated. Yeah, a lot of lights are gone. Some vandal broke a window. This is a shame. Hate seeing vandals do that, you know. There's another door going in. You'll have to look at other videos and see what these used to look like. There was a sign here, but, well, that's gone now, so. This is the ballroom entrance. The lights are almost all there, but a couple of them are gone. Probably some vandals. This is the back of George's bar, as you see. Nature has taken over. I'm outside the fence. Some Yahoo graffitied as usual. I don't know how these graffiti people get in here. Yeah, it's all trees here. I can't really see, and I can't like go inside the place because it's illegal. Yeah. It's illegal. There's a sign here, no trespassing, so I'm sorry I can't go in there for you, Wild Horse fans. The best thing I can do is I can do a close-up. Luckily I'm a tall man, so I can do this. Well, it's... Oh, oops. I suppose I could... Better be careful here. I don't want to... Wish the trees weren't in the way. Yeah, see that, Wild Horse fans? Yeah, a lot of famous polka bands played in this bar and ballroom. It has like 36,000 square feet when it was open, and it can drop to 1,000 people. Oh yeah, at times they packed the place when it was open. At times they packed the place. Yeah, as you see, it's right here. The bricks are really splitting here. Over there too, the bricks are splitting. Let's see. Real close up with a sign for you. Here, a nice close up. Just like this. Close up with the lights. Hopefully they'll sell the light bulbs on eBay maybe. These lights are unique. I don't think they have lights like this anymore. Excuse me, this side, all the windows have that, whatever it is. Here is the fan. Well, that door's shut there. Okay. Right here, the bricks are really splitting. There's the roof here. Yeah, it's like cracked up there, as you see. Well, there's another door. And as usual, the stupid graffiti artists have to wreck things. What kind of windows they are, I have no clue. You can tell these windows here were added on later for some odd reason. One of those aftermarket windows or something. Yep, this is all cracked. Up here is a bunch of trees. It's like a forest. Yep, they're going to demolish this building real soon. I don't know when. I wish I could tell you, but I can't. Because I talked to that gentleman. He said he wasn't sure. And there were some people there. I think they were from the Chamber of Commerce or something, and probably the paper or something. Yeah, well, I wanted to ask more, but nah, they have their people to talk to, and I'm not one of them, so. See that? The trees have gone right through the floor into the roof, too. I'll read off this sheet here. George's Bar and Ballroom and Bowling Alley had 32,000 square feet, and 3,000 people can be in the building at once. Has 164 booths, and like I said before, it's a bowling alley, restaurant, and bar. It was anyway. Such famous bands that came in, and individuals are like Lawrence Welk, the Andrews Sisters, Glenn Miller, Six Fat Dutchman, the Dorsey Brothers, and many, many, many more. It's a shame that the building's going to be demolished in time. You know, it costs millions of dollars to refurbish a building. That's going to be impossible. You know, and if I won the $1 billion Powerball, I wouldn't pay for it. No, because it's the way it is. So this is Randy, and as far as the bar and ballroom and dance hall is concerned, thanks for the great memories there. Thank you.